Stop right there. Did you know that your 9-to-5 corporate job could be the key to financial freedom? Yes, that very job you might feel stuck in could actually unlock a life where you call the shots. No more sleepless nights worrying about money. By the end of this video, you'll discover how to turn your corporate paycheck into a powerful tool for financial freedom. We'll cover smart strategies, investing tips, and career hacks that can transform your future. But here's the deal. You've got to stay with me till the end, because I'm sharing the most overlooked secret that will help you fast-track this journey. And hey, if you're ready to level up your financial game, hit that like button, subscribe to Wealth for You, and join our growing community of young professionals chasing freedom and security. Ready? Let's dive in! Chapter 1. The Corporate Job Path to Financial Freedom. Let's clear the air about a huge misconception right now. Financial freedom isn't reserved for entrepreneurs hustling 24/7 or influencers flaunting their side hustle success online. Here's the truth. Your corporate job, yes, that 9-to-5, can be one of the safest, most reliable pathways to financial freedom. But wait, what exactly is financial freedom? Let me break it down. Financial freedom is about choice. It's the ability to live life on your terms. Work because you want to, not because you have to. It means having enough savings, investments, and income streams to cover your lifestyle and unexpected expenses without stress. It's not about quitting your job tomorrow to sip coconuts on a beach, though hey, if that's your dream, go for it. It's about knowing that you're financially secure, no matter what life throws your way. And here's the thing. Your corporate job can make that dream a reality. It gives you consistent income, no guesswork, no waking up wondering where your next paycheck is coming from. That consistency isn't just comforting, it's powerful. It allows you to create a solid financial plan, set aside savings, and invest for the long term. Corporate jobs also often come with benefits like health insurance, retirement contributions, and even training programs. All of this reduces your financial stress while helping you grow. On the other hand, entrepreneurship? It's exciting, sure, but it's also unpredictable. You might hit a jackpot one year and barely scrape by the next. For most of us, especially here in Singapore, where the cost of living is high, that kind of financial uncertainty isn't just stressful. It can be outright dangerous without a safety net. Now, I'm not saying entrepreneurship is bad. It's amazing for those who thrive in it. But it's not for everyone, and that's okay, because a corporate job, when approached strategically, can give you exactly what you need to achieve financial freedom, stability, growth, and the ability to build wealth over time. Stay tuned, because in a minute I'm going to show you the step-by-step strategy to turn your corporate paycheck into a financial freedom machine. And remember, the journey isn't about chasing every trend. It's about knowing your strengths, playing to them, and using the tools you already have to build the life you've always dreamed of. Now, here's a question for you. How do you currently view your corporate job? Do you see it as a stepping stone to financial freedom, or are you dreaming of something more entrepreneurial? Chapter 2. Winning Strategies for Corporate Success. Now that we've talked about how your corporate job can be the gateway to financial freedom, let's dive into winning strategies to make that job work for you. To truly maximize your career and accelerate your journey toward financial freedom, you've got to be proactive. Let's break it down. 1. Network, network, network. It's not just about who you know, but who knows you. Regularly engage with people both inside your company and within your industry. Whether it's informal coffee chats, attending events, or simply staying in touch with colleagues from past roles, networking opens doors to new opportunities. 2. Upskill yourself. In today's world, the key to staying competitive is to keep evolving. Learn new technologies, take leadership courses, or volunteer for cross-functional projects. Upskilling doesn't just make you more valuable to your company, it also boosts your career resilience and adaptability. Think of it as investing in your own growth. The more you invest in yourself, the more opportunities you'll unlock. 3. Move closer to revenue. If you want to fast-track your career and financial growth, look for roles that are closely tied to revenue-generating activities. Positions in sales, business development, or customer relationships are typically higher paying and come with greater promotion potential. These roles often give you the chance to directly impact the company's bottom line. And trust me, companies are more likely to reward employees who help them grow financially. Pro tip: don't wait for promotions to come to you. Demonstrate value first. Show up, solve problems, deliver results. When you make a tangible impact, the recognition and the rewards will follow. You don't need to wait for opportunities to land in your lap. You can create them. Remember, the corporate ladder isn't just for climbing. It's about strategically positioning yourself to get noticed and advance quickly. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest area you're focusing on in your corporate career right now? Are you working on upskilling, networking, or moving closer to revenue? Chapter 3. Building Wealth Beyond Your Salary. As you climb the corporate ladder, it's time to think beyond your salary and start building wealth that works for you. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street genius to get started. Investing can be your secret weapon to creating long-term financial freedom. 1. Start early, invest consistently. Let's talk about the magic of compound interest. It's like planting a small seed and watching it grow over time. Even if you can only invest a small portion of your salary right now, doing it consistently will pay off big time in the future. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Pro tip: you don't need to be rich to start investing. Every little bit counts. Remember, it's the consistency, not the size of the contribution, that creates the most significant impact. 2. Diversify your investments. Next up, diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While local stocks can be great, think about spreading your investments across different asset classes. Look into ETFs, REITs, or even tap into global markets. By diversifying, you reduce the risk and open up more opportunities for growth. 3. Stability matters too. Now I know what you're thinking. Bonds, fixed deposits? That sounds boring, but hear me out. Stability is important. Bonds and fixed deposits might not bring huge returns like stocks, but they provide security. They're your cushion during major life events, whether it's buying your first home or funding that dream wedding. Having a stable foundation can allow you to take more calculated risks elsewhere. So, while you're grinding in your corporate job, remember that the key to wealth building is balance. Pair your hard work with smart investment strategies and watch your wealth grow over time. Now, I'd love to know, what's the first investment you've made or plan to make to build your wealth beyond your salary? Is it stocks, real estate, or something else? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Chapter 4. Watch out for lifestyle inflation. Let's talk about a trap that many young professionals fall into. Lifestyle inflation. It's so easy to get caught up in the excitement of a bigger paycheck and think, hey, I deserve to treat myself. Maybe you upgrade your car or start dining at fancy restaurants more often. And while it feels good in the moment, here's the thing. Those short-term pleasures don't bring you closer to financial freedom. In fact, lifestyle inflation can actually slow you down. Every time you raise your spending as your income grows, you're trading future financial freedom for temporary luxuries that don't add long-term value to your life. So what's the better approach? Instead of upgrading your lifestyle right away, try putting that extra income into savings and investments. Focus on building wealth so you can truly enjoy the freedom of choice later, without financial stress hanging over you. Remember, freedom tomorrow, whether that's being debt-free, retiring early, or traveling the world, is worth so much more than the fleeting luxuries of today. So let me ask you, when that next paycheck comes in, what's one thing you could do today to put your money to work for your future instead of splurging on something temporary? Chapter 5. The Advantages of Being a Modern Employee. Young professionals today have tools and advantages our parents couldn't even dream of. One of the easiest ways to get started with investing today is by using low-cost investment platforms that simplify the process for you. These platforms are like having a financial advisor in your pocket, without the high fees. Robo-advisors, for example, help you invest your money based on your goals and risk tolerance, all while taking care of the hard work for you. It's super user-friendly and perfect for anyone just starting their investment journey. And the best part? You don't need to be a finance expert to start. Everything is automated and guided for you. So, whether you're putting money into global markets, stocks, or even real estate, you can rest assured that your investments are working for you. And don't forget about the abundance of financial literacy resources available online. From YouTube channels like this one to online courses, there's no shortage of knowledge out there, ready to help you make smarter, more informed decisions about your money. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to take control of your financial future. So, are you ready to take the next step and start investing smarter? Sure, challenges like layoffs or temptation to overspend exist, but with a solid financial plan and emotional resilience, you're equipped to navigate these hurdles. Conclusion. So, can you achieve financial freedom in a corporate job? Absolutely. With the right mindset, strategies, and discipline, your corporate career can become a powerful engine for wealth and freedom. It's not about extremes. It's about balance between work and passion, risk and stability, ambition and contentment. And hey, you're not in this alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Together we'll build the life you deserve.